Welcome everybody to Cooking with Poppy.
Today my granddaughters Guinevere and Arwen will be helping me make Marry Me Chicken. Please leave a comment below and let us know what you think of this recipe. And most importantly,
Like and subscribe
to our channel. So let's get started, shall we? First we need to season up our dredging flour. So let's add some
paprika,
some garlic powder, and some salt and pepper. Get everything mixed together well and set it to the side. I have cleaned and trimmed the chicken thighs and cut them into serving size portions. Now we need to dredge each piece of chicken in our flour. And be sure to get each piece completely coated. Shake off any extra flour and set them to the side. Bring your
cast iron pan
to high heat, then add some
olive oil.
Be sure the bottom of the pan is coated and place your chicken in the pan. And now we're going to let them cook for 4 minutes before we turn them. Look at that nice brown color. Nothing beats the smell of chicken frying in a
cast iron pan.
I'm going to turn the bigger pieces over one more time and take some of the smaller pieces that cook faster out. After a few more minutes, we're going to take the bigger thighs out. Let's add 2 cloves of
garlic
and cook them for about 1 minute. After cooking the garlic for 1 minute, it's time to add
chicken stock.
Use this to deglaze your pan. Scrape all those good bits off the bottom. That's where all the flavor is. I'm going to use 1 full cup of chicken stock. Then I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. One teaspoon of
red pepper flakes,
1 teaspoon of
oregano,
and some nice fresh thyme. Add 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan. Let's get that stirred together. And now I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to get this all stirred together, and then I'm going to bring it up to a simmer. Now it's time to use my
tasting spoon
to check my seasoning. I like the way my sauce is tasting, so I'm just going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes until it thickens up nicely. And then I'm going to put the chicken back in the pan to bring it up to temperature. I'm going to go ahead and flip these guys over so both sides are coated in that creamy sauce. And I'll continue to cook them till the chicken comes up to 165 degrees. And then it will be time for lunch. I've got a nice bed of jasmine rice ready. Let's add some of our Marry Me chicken. And garnish with a little more freshly grated Parmesan. I truly hope it tastes as good as it smells. We hope you enjoyed this video today, and as always,
thanks for coming everybody.
it is definitely time for lunch.